Alpha 233, continue golf, hold short of runway 4
right Alpha, hold short of Kilo Echo. 03, confirm the runway assignment.
Okay, right on Alpha, hold short of Kilo Echo to runway 31 left from Kilo Echo. From Kilo.
Ground Brickyard 5767, ready to taxi now, uniform.
Brickyard 5767, runway 4 left, taxi right Alpha, hold short Julia.
Alpha short of Julia, Brickyard 5767.
Brickyard 5767, runway assignment.
At, 4 left, sorry about that, Brickyard 5767.
Kilo Heavy at Kilo Echo, give way to Aero Mexico.
At Kilo Echo, give way to Aero Mexico and still hold of taxi Kilo 617 Kilo.
Delta 958 Heavy, left turn at Foxtrot Bravo, then Foxtrot Alpha, hold short Yankee, safe entry to the ramp.
Foxtrot Bravo, Foxtrot Alpha, and we'll let you know over Delta 958 Heavy.
T151 Kennedy Tower, following a CRJ, 3.5 miles ahead, runway 4 right, good to land.
Land 4 right,
Roger.
51.
5315 Kennedy Tower, you're following a 777 short final caution wave turbulence, runway 4 right, good to land.
3414, can again go in.
Yes, sir. You got a ops frequency for modern aviation.
And let's go 3414, 122.905.
Okay, 26955, thanks.
Mexico 403, give way to American, turn left on Kilo Echo. Monitor tower 123 prime.
The 958, continue Foxtrot, hold short of runway 4 left.
Foxtrot, hold short of 4 left.
American 2305, cross runway 13 right on Kilo.
Cross 13 right on Kilo, American 2305.
Brickyard 5767, follow the American off the right, cross runway 13 right on Kilo.
Alright, follow the American on the right, cross 13 right on Kilo, Brickyard 5767.
Kilo Golf 1, entering for Delta 958.
Hello, the Shamrock 104 is up to Terminal 7 and we're ready for taxi.
Airplane 6 Tango Heavy, left turn Foxtrot Bravo, hold